Are you ready to unlock a new level of creative precision by transforming any image into stunning Fineline art? First, open Adobe Illustrator and place the raster image you wish to convert. This can be done by selecting Place from the File menu, or by drag and drop. This is the foundation of your artwork, so choose an image with good contrast and clarity. Now, with your image selected, go to the Properties panel. You'll find the Image Trace section. Click the drop-down menu under Preset. Select a preset that gives you a good starting point for this Fineline effect. Try line art or technical drawing. Next, we fine-tune the trace. Click on the Image Trace panel to open a more detailed menu. Play with the settings. Adjust things like threshold to control the black and white contrast, paths for smoothness, and corners for sharpness. The goal is to reduce noise and create clean lines. Experiment to find what looks best with your image. Once you're happy, click Expand under the Object menu. This converts the traced image into editable vector paths and fills, making it scalable without losing quality. Clean up any remaining imperfections by selecting and deleting extra anchor points or unnecessary lines using the Direct Selection tool. You now have scalable, vector-based Fineline art, perfectly suited for engraving, laser cutting, or other artistic endeavors. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed a raster image into beautiful Fineline artwork using the power of Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to experiment with different images and settings. Happy creating!